August 25th, 2011.
1161 виток, 4 суточный.
Verifying form 8, form 14.
23, 23, 32, 26, 00, 50, 06, 02, 27, 05, 04, 05,
Houston
10,
Station,
05, 39, 23, 07, 17,
we have
27,
Irene in sight. It has gathered, it has taken more shape since we've seen it the last 2 nights. The eye is not yet discernible to tell if it's really an open eye, but there's definitely a central eye formed. There's a difference kind of right in the center of the video that we're sending down at this time.
And Mike, we see that. It's just, it's hard to believe that it's that big.
It is big. I'll zoom back out. You can get an idea. We're actually flying over some of the outer bands right now, I believe.
Yeah, it's an absolutely great picture. Thank you so much for getting it for us.
Okay, Shannon, we've got a good look down into the eye from here, and the central eye is definitely opening up.
And Mike, we can see that. Thanks so much for getting that shot for us.
Okay, and we've got, we're just passing off the side of Irene right now. We're directly off our port side or our left side.
And Mike, we copy that, and for your information, I've just been told it's the winds in there are 120 miles per hour at this point. It's a Cat 3, and they expect it to strengthen to a Cat 4 soon.
Copy that. It does look like actually covering less surface area today than it did the last 2 days. It's consolidating some. But the central part's very uniform, very dense.
And we agree with you. We can see that.
Okay, Shannon, Irene's passing over the horizon from us now. That she's definitely a big storm, and people in her way better batten down the hatches.
And Mike, we concur with you. Those just awesome views. Thank you so much. And we all voted down here to make you the official high altitude hurricane tracker.
Ronnie's with me here. He's getting the photographs, and yeah, we don't want to observe too many of these things. They're scary from any side.
Oh, I agree with you there.